Hello, I'm a YouTube creator called Helmet Head. I make fun, wacky videos about motorcycles and vlogs and life. And I've got a fantastic audience of people, and I came up with a wacky idea to support a fantastic charity, one of the most important charities in the world. Now the thing is, what I wanted to do is I wanted to buy a moped, a scooter, something daft, something crazy, an old little bike, and ride it from Desborough, what's around the middle of the UK, all the way to Skegvegas. We call it Skegvegas. It's around 85 miles. And I came up with my idea of buying a Honda Vision, an old little 50cc or 49cc scooter, and riding it all that way. And my audience, they're fantastic that they are, came along and they supported me. We got 3 other YouTubers involved and many people, and we funded one of the last Honda Visions I could find. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick on funky graphics, we're going to stick on rockets, we're going to stick on flags, and I'm going to wear a glitter jacket, and it's going to be an absolute giggle and a laugh. So on the 19th of September, very soon, I'll be setting off on this funky, wacky little bike and riding it around 25 to 28 miles an hour all that way, where others are going to join. I've got a sidekick to the channel. He's gone out and bought a Honda Karen that can do 20 miles an hour, and he's going out of his way to try and make it do 28. There's going to be hopefully a big BMW GS try to come along with us at 28 miles an hour. It's going to be an absolute giggle. And the thing of it is, it's all to raise awareness for PTSD, and basically try our absolute best to help one of the most important charities, PTSD UK. Now there's a link in the description where you can click on that. It'll take you to Just Funding, and you can give as little as much as you possibly can to help me raise money to support such a great charity. They help, they support, and they educate. They are fantastic, and they really do need our support. So if you're interested in joining me on that crazy adventure, you're more than welcome to come. If you want to just watch the crazy adventure unfold, we'll be set off on the 19th. We've got 85 miles to even get there. The next day we're going to go around and put wacky crazy things in the shopping basket on the front of this old granny scooter, and then we're going to try and ride it all the way back on the 21st. It's going to be nuts, and we're going to get up to some absolutely crazy things, but we're all doing it for PTSD UK, to raise them the money they need to help support people. So please subscribe, join me, follow the adventure, and help them. All together we can make something absolutely fantastic happen, and we can support people that need it right now. They need our support. So please click on that link, please donate, and let's have one of the most bonkers crazy adventures, and let's have an absolute giggle on the way. I look forward to seeing you in that crazy adventure. Take care.